You will, oh no! How many is that? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. In Tagalog, ow! Ow! Oh, 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 oh! Wala na! In Tagalog, we call that taob ang bangka. The boat is sinking. Hello mga kabebe! This is Earl, your mother of pearl. I have visitor, Miss Angela from Portuguese. Alright.
From Brazil.
Oh, from Brazil. Oh, medyo paus-paus pa ang ma'am Shini. Okay. At naka-duster lang tayo. This is just my pambahay outfit. Very, fashionable. Okay, let's go. Let's try to shake it. Shake it, shake it. Okay. There's a small, small alog. Ang English sa alog? Pambira na tayo. Bigla niyo akong sinabak nito ako. This one is also, maalog. Okay, did you hear the
I
sound?
think this is better.
Okay, let's see. I like this one. It's because there's no sounds. But I like this one. It's quite interesting.
Para encontrar a minha pérola. Tomara que tem uma pérola negra.
Ayun na. Bumawi. Sige, ma'am. You may open it now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. It's mostly color white. There's no shake. There's no shake away. Wow! Oh!
Nice.
Wow! Yeah, because you have lots of free. Because gold is free.
Wow.
When you get gold color, you will... Oh, no! How many is that? I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. In Tagalog, ow! Ow! Oh! 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 Wala na! In Tagalog, we call that taob ang bangka. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. It's because the owner of the business is bankrupt. Bankrupt because of the free, ha? Congratulations.
Aqui, ela disse que tenho várias
Congratulations.
pérolas.
Because this one is color gold. Okay, so you get later. Let's harvest this first.
Later.
Oh, yeah, you can take it. You can try to take that. Okay, let's go, ma'am. Let's get your pearl and put it here. Alright. Mostly you've got white color, but you have plenty of gold. Wow. It's hidden. Okay. You need to take it. I think this one is round. Nice. So your color is mostly white and peach. White means health and peach means love. There's nothing in there.
It's like love and...
I'll get this one, ma'am. Oops! There's still
Tem
more.
more?
There's
Still?
more.
Ai, ai, ai. Gente, é muita pérola, viu?
Okay, yeah. We need to use tools to take this.
Okay.
Do you like the experience?
Yes.
Yay! Thank you so much for enjoying. And you've got lots of gold. And let me check the gold. Okay, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. This one is also counted. 7 in total. Okay, congratulations. Please get a small. No shaking, please.
One more.
Oh, yeah, 7. 7 pieces.
7 pieces?
Yeah.
This one?
Wow. 7
Oi.
pieces.
Ow!
You have 7 pieces because you've got a lot of gold inside. Next. Oh! There's a lot. Wow. Oh my. That's why we're not allowed shaking. It's because you might gonna find out how many pearls inside. Oh, I think there's a lot also for this one. Oh my gosh, you're so jackpot. You've got You're so lucky.
Look at that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, yan. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 pieces! Oh my gosh! Congratulations. Finished product! How's the experience, ma'am, of your pearl harvest?
I really love it, the experience.